Today I would like to teach you about how to do this pattern. The algorithm goes like it. M2, E2, and here S2. If you want to do back, you also do the same algorithm. M2, E2, and here S2. So these four corners are not switched to the opposite color. But here, I switch to the opposite color. For example, if you are now seeing white, so here I switch to the opposite color, yellow. Opposite color, yellow. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.